I love watching these high-speed cats come blowing through Haulover on a nice calm day, but it doesn't always add to that entertainment factor we're looking for here on Boats vs. Haulover, so we're going to flip it up and show a little different day. Welcome back, guys, to this episode of Boats vs. Haulover. I am your host, Broncos Guru, along with our boy Wavy Boats down there getting the footage, and let's get this episode started. Our first boaters to step in the ring and do battle with Haulover this week is going to show us what it's like when we have a little wetter ride than we saw in that first clip. Here these guys are coming in through Haulover, and everything seems to be okay so far, but Haulover's being a little bit of a pain today. Not only does she have big seas, she's also got a very tight period today, which means the interval between the waves is super tight, which is going to make our boats have a difficult time getting through here successfully today. These guys right here, even though they did take a bunch of water over the bow and a little bit of a wet ride, actually did a pretty good job, and we'll give this round to the boats. Our second boater to do battle with Haulover Inlet is going to play one of my favorite games, and that is Can She Hang On? Here you're going to see this Boston Whaler Outrage 320 coming out of Haulover Inlet with 3 people on the bow of the boat. And of course, we're going to see if these people can hang on. As we know, this boat's coming out a little slow. Now, don't focus on the person in the very front of the bow, but focus on this lady, because she's about to go down hard. These guys opted to take the slow route out of Haulover, just kind of idling through and not really paying attention, and of course, that has not paid off for them. Our lady did go down, so this round is definitely going to go to Haulover Inlet, but not only that, it's even going to end their day. She's down hard enough, we're turning around, and we are going back toward the sandbar. I really do have to give some respect to the lady who's in the very front of the bow of the boat for hanging on like a trooper. It wasn't that long ago I was reading through the comments on this channel and somebody asked, how do those large power cats handle these rough conditions at Haulover compared to some of the monohull boats? Well, we're about to show you right here, as this one's going to come blowing through Haulover like it's nothing, and this is the same day we've seen the first 2 boats already compete against. This Invincible is really showing you how a nice power cat can power its way through Haulover Inlet. Don't get me wrong, this comes at a cost. Usually these power cats are about double the price of a monohull boat in their same size, but well worth it when you can pull a win off against Haulover like that. Our next boat is going to show us what it's like when you decide you're going to try and go out of Haulover, but it's just not happening today. Here we're going to see this Scarab jet boat trying to come through Haulover Inlet on a day it probably should not even be out there, and this boat right here is going to take several waves over the bow and quickly decide that they're going to bow out and turn around. This boat really does have several things going against it. One of the first ones being its size. It's just not long enough to be out there in these kind of conditions, and also it has a very shallow freeboard at the bow of the boat. Add these 2 things together and they really can't get up on plane to try and push through the waves either. This round right here is definitely going to Haulover Inlet. I don't think I've ever done this twice in one episode, but we're going to do it today. Instead of playing Can She Hang On, it's Can He Hang On? Who in the world decided this was a good idea is an absolute moron. And Haulover absolutely obliterates this guy, giving him the tail kicking he deserves for even thinking this was any kind of a good idea to be up there in the bow of the boat on a day like today. Our guy literally goes down for the count after this. You saw the hat fly off his head and you see all his friends in the background kind of laughing and had a good time, but they don't really know what's happened to this guy up here. The really strange part of all this to me is nobody really even comes up to check on him to make sure he's okay, which fully leads me to believe that they had the conversation before they hit this inlet. Hey Billy, don't go in the front of the boat. Don't try and do something stupid. And Billy went up there and did it anyway. And now Billy's went ahead and ended everybody's day early because they're going to have to turn around to go back in and take care of Billy. And that's also going to give this round to Haulover Inlet, and that's going to give Haulover Inlet the win this week. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Boats vs. Haulover. If you did, be sure to check out our other 2 channels. We have Wavy Boats, who gets all this excellent footage of Haulover Inlet, and my channel is Broncos Guru, where we do some great comedy boating videos over there as well. If you haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on that subscribe button.